chooses the financial industry is the reason behind it is that the financial, according to me, the financial services and more specifically trading is the reason in the creation of all other industries which we have right now, from the stone ages, or you can say the creation of the human being, and to this time we are living in the age of AI. So the whole industries which are created during the whole journey of human beings, the first and the creator of all the industries is financial market. Why? Because the first communication has done between one and other families or one and other member. Once the first human beings or the one family, two families meet each other, the first one, what they have done, they have never not exchanged their tradition, they have not exchanged their religious belief, they have not shared their thoughts, but they have done the trade. Because what basically financial market and trade based on 3 to 4 major characteristics of behind our existence, and those characteristics are having a desire and having a need, or you can say having a craving for some new things. That is a major part of our life. That is the thing being as different from whole all other species. Specifically, according to Islam, Zakat is like superior than. In Islam, we believe that human beings are superior on all species. In modern life, we also can say that we are more perfect, we are more developed from all other species. So, what makes us so special is having a need for having a craving or having a desire. We have the desire that need cause us to make a decision which step has a risk involved in it, because everything the new which you will ever try in your life has some risk on it. Either you go get success, or that is a chance to getting failed. So the desire and the need is cause us to make a decision of risky decision. So then there is a special, and there is a famous quote of risk taking is a money making. So this once you, if you want to make some new thing, if you want to explore some new thing, you have to take the risk. So that is the major characteristics of human being, and that is the major part of our development, that we have take the risk. And the third thing is having to accomplish a comfort and accomplish a success in our life. So that things will go into the circle. Once we achieve anything, we have more desire, we have more craving for exploring new things. So that is a major pillar of financial market and specifically trade. So trade, according to me, the first and the most older type of communication, and the reason behind the communication and business has done between one human being to the other human being is trade, not anything else. That has also caused us to build a community, build a connection global wise. Because why we are connected with each other, why the China is connected with USA, why Pakistan is connected with all other countries, because we have dependence on other countries, we have dependence on other human beings. So we trade some our goods, we buy from them, we sell to them. So the one example, from the beginning of human being, when they have met with each other, one human being and or one family is growing some crops, or expert in farming, and one human being is expert in hunting. So what they have done, they the person who is expert in farming seen the person who is expert in hunting. So that meat craving has bring them to make a decision of exchanging their crops to them, and then that has a risk involved. So they take the risk, they exchange the crops. The first transaction between the human being has been made by the means of trading. So basically, what is trading is exchanging some goods and some services among each other. So according to me, financial market is the creator and the reason behind the whole success and the whole journey of human development. So this is the reason why I have chose financial industry as my career. So financial industry is so broad, it's not possible to cover all except all parts of financial market in your one life cycle. But you have to go on 5 to 6 times to learn the whole financial market. But I will go specifically on my expertise on trading. So basically, I make a decision to go for the trading. So first of all, I arrange some investment and start learning the technical things about the trading. So basically, these are the most important skills which I have learned. Those skills involve the knowledge about the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis, and the risk analysis of the market. All three markets, the same three types of analysis will work in the crypto market, forex market, and the stock market. So what is technical analysis? Basically, you are using some indicator give you the position about the market in the past. For example, it will give you the position when the market will specific has touched that level in the past, how market has reacted, because the trade is what is trade is a tug of war between buyers and the sellers. So it's upon power. Basically, if the buyer get more powerful on sellers, so market will go up. The sellers will, if the sellers has gained much power than buyer, it will go down. So basically, it's a tug of war. The first thing idea about the next trend of the market is getting the knowledge from the previous market points or previous market data. So it can be get from using some indicators like Bollinger Band is an indicator which involves the resistance and the support level, and also moving averages. I will explain you with the example. And also Scottish RSI Ishimoku theory. Basically, what is the most important thing which most of the indicators will give you? It will give you the resistance and the support level of the market. It will work like a ball. You will throw a ball to the ground, it will definitely get some resistance from the ground and it will bounce back. For an example, if the market is moving on the resistance level, so it means that market is getting a resistance from the buyers, because previously market, if the market is going down, it is has more power, but the sellers have more power than the buyers. When it will touch that resistance level, which can be generated, or you can see the resistance level if you apply the Bollinger Band moving averages of 20, 100, 500, 200. You will get the knowledge about the resistance level, on which level or which point market is getting resistance. So that will give you some idea about that market. If the market will get resistance, then the ball mechanism will work. The ball mechanism is that the market will go up because it has faced the resistance. So the first confirmation if we can get, the person will get from the applying the fundamental technical analysis of Bollinger Band, moving averages, and applying the volume. And the second most important indicators is RSI. RSI will give you the idea of upper bought and oversold level of the market. Is that the level of 180 will tell you about the data of the market, that market has been oversold. So for any market, if the market has oversold, that is the nature of market. It will reset its value, or it will reset its point. It will go definitely down because it can't be moved always on the upper bought level. So it will definitely go down area of you can say 80 or 20 or 30. It will give you the indication that market is overbought. So that is the time for market is to be a bullish market, or this is the time you can buy, because it will going to correct its level, and correction of its level is mean that market is going to be uptrend. And the second analysis, which is the most important analysis, is the fundamental analysis. Basically, involve two types of ways of knowledge. The first way is getting daily news and daily update about that specific instrument or that specific stock and the coin which you are willing to trade. So basically, fundamental analysis is getting daily news and getting daily updates on that coin, which will give you the data how the market is performing, and if the positive news will come on that specific coin or that specific stock, that also indicates you that market is performing. That positive news has come. Now the market will perform in a positive way. So if the market is not, if you got any negative news, I will explain also with the example. You will also get the confirmation that market is going to act as negative. So, and the third thing is the risk analysis. Is basically all of the brokers will give you the leverage program, and also for the new person and for the new investor, risk analysis is very important. Most of the investors and most of the traders will lose their money because they do not analyze or do not take risk analysis. So risk analysis is getting you to decide how much leverage you are going to take, which is the time you are going to invest. Are you going to are you going to make a decision based on more on fundamental analysis or the technical analysis? It will also varies on the situation. Sometimes technical analysis has more power, sometimes fundamental analysis has more power, and sometimes both are them are same. So risk analysis also is about making a decision which call you are going to take. So also how much profit you are expecting, because expecting unlimited is, it will cause you to wash up your account, because in the trading you have to fix your point one profit number which which you have made in your mind, and you have decided that I'm not going to continue my trade if I got that level. That is more for me. That is the most important thing which you have need to decide, is to getting a set number for you. According to your equity, you have to decide how much profit daily you want to get from that. It will be important to based on that number to based on reality, because most of the trader will go so crazy. Well, once they see that if you can earn unlimited, you can't earn unlimited, because if you go for that involve 100% risk of losing the money. So these are the three types. For an example, there's a time of once Russia invaded on Ukraine. On those days, I prefer to trade on crude oil because it was performing so well. So I go for the technical analysis. I have seen the market is moving on the level of resistance, no, support level, because it support level it will get the resistance from the buyers. It will go up. So Bollinger Band moving averages is giving me the idea that market is going to be go up. So there apply the Ishimoku cloud, that is also indicating me that market will go up. It's a positive trend for the market. Third, I use the Scottish 6 RSI. Market is moving on the level of 30. So 100% technical analysis give me that idea market will go up. So I never rely on one analysis. I go to the fundamental analysis. I start reading the updates, and suddenly I got the update that Russia has invaded the Ukraine. So I have the financial knowledge, and I know that if the Russia invade Ukraine, it means Russia is the top exporter of crude oil. So top one exporter of crude oil. So if the Russia is going to invade Ukraine, that means the West or the Europe and America is going to impose some restriction or a financial restriction on Russia to make their trades on their export on their assets. So it will going to be a bad news for the Russian economy, and also for the economy of West and all other oil producing countries. So definitely if the Russian economy will go down, so most of the economy is relying on the crude oil, so it will definitely go down. So it will not going to just impact Russia, it will going to impact worldwide. So I got the indication and the confirmation from the fundamental analysis that technical analysis, because the big news has come, this is the time technical analysis will not give the perfect indication, because as first ever this is not the news, and this is not the things which you are doing in getting in normal routines. So in normal routine business will go as usual. Most of the time technical analysis will perform as per his previous point. So that is the time I make a call for going with the fundamental analysis. I put the trade on sell. I know market is going to act negatively, and that has acted negatively as well. I got the profit. So that is the thing I want to explain, that having a knowledge about technical analysis and fundamental analysis, and applying both of them and taking a call for which analysis is going to be more impactful is very important. So India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, and also we are targeting the GCC countries like UAE, Saudi, and Qatar. Also, most of the time we are targeting UAE because that is the big market. So we start three types of campaigns during my whole that position. We start first, and the most oldest form of the marketing is word of mouth marketing. We successfully hired the team of approximately 20 or 30 members as per the country. We have established a team in UAE, also in Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, Saudi. So first thing which I have directed to my team is to start marketing our broker and start marketing our opportunity locally in their contacts, in their relationship relatives and their friends. So that is the most effective and the most faster way to get any clients, because I will give you one scenario. There is a person who is getting a call from some stranger, and that stranger is explaining the same broker and same opportunity to a person, that you will invest in stock market, or you will invest in that coin will go up, you will get the profit. And in the meanwhile, there is a person who is in contact with that person, is a friend of him, or he can be a relative of that person, and that relative or friend is pitching the same broker and same opportunity in front of that investor. So the investor will definitely go for with his relative or family member, because with the opportunity he's also getting a plus point of trust, having a trust, because he has a trust on his relative and friend, and he will definitely not go for the stranger. He will go for the person who is know. So we are successfully able to approximately 5 to 6 clients every person has successfully achieved. That is the quickest way which we have received the client. Then we started campaign on social media. We use Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and other social media, Google ads. Also, we created the opportunity. We created a video in which we are explaining them the opportunity about the trading and how they will get the profit about in trading and how this business, the whole business will work. But definitely, if we are explaining them the opportunity for them to get some more profit. So this is the human nature. Whenever the human person know and get the knowledge, chance of getting more income will cause him to getting more success and more comfort and more you can say luxury in his life. It will cause greed in to go for that. Greed is not going to go anywhere from the human being. It has created from the first human being, and it will end with the last human person. It's a common characteristics of human. So definitely when he will see the opportunity that can give him the more benefit, and also we are teaching them the technical and fundamental analysis. We are getting the clients from social media also. The third thing is we are running the campaigns, cold calling campaigns. We have established a call center mostly in Pakistan, because in Pakistan the cost of labor and the cost of electricity and managing the call center is very low. So we are successfully managed call center, running a call center. We are doing the cold calling for the broker, and we are convincing people to invest their money. We are doing the follow up. So I was running the whole operation. I also developed my own company because we are also giving some IPs to other person. So this is the whole 6 year career in which I have started working in fragrance line, from the sales officer to the executive sales officer, most second senior position in the whole company. Then I moved to the trading. Then I moved to relationship manager, and then the country regional manager, and then I also established my own business. So in last year, because of my some personal issues and because of my health issue, I need to stop work. So that has caused me so much, you can say, and that is the most bad time of my whole career, because I was not working. I was laying down in the bed. My career was stopped. So successfully, I have recovered from that stage of my life. And now I want to explore more. I want to start my career again, and I have made the decision not to run my own business. I make a decision to get some more international exposure that will give me some more knowledge, and that will also boost my career in my profession also. Because if I go for my own business, that is not that much effective. If I go for any international explosion, it will give me some knowledge also, or it will give me a chance to boost my career more. So I was. This is not all of my experience or my skills, but I try to summarize it, and I try to explain it within a short video, because if I try to explain my whole things and experiences, so the reason behind explaining all of these things is to giving you more information and giving you more knowledge about me and my expertise, so you can make a decision of getting me that job or not. Because if you don't know about that much about my experience, it will not going to give you need to make a good decision for me to getting a good job, because the right person for the right job is very important for the company, the person also who is performing that job. So if you are satisfied, or if you think that my knowledge and my experience will give some additional benefit to your company, I will do investor work also. I will bring more investor, and I also can manage the teams also. I can manage the team because I have the experience of managing 150 plus team members. I also can teach the clients and teach team members about the technical things about the trading, because I'm the technical guy also who knows how trading works, risk analysis, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, all those things. I can teach them to the clients and also to the investors and to the team members. And the third thing, I know about how the companies work, how the white label IPs work, how the management things are going to be done as a relationship manager, and how you can manage the team members or in the clients. So I have the experience in the operation of any broker or any company, so I can also contribute my part on that. So I will work in all these ways. So it's your call, or now it's your decision. If you think that I can give me the chance, I will try to utilize my whole skills and utilize my whole knowledge to fulfill the requirement and fulfill the need of your company, and that will also going to help me in my career, and also going to help your company to get more profit and getting more success. So I will try to utilize all my skill, and I also try to develop my more skill that can help me during this job or this career opportunity, or it will help me also during the whole lifetime. So I will try to utilize and develop or utilize on all my skill and develop new skills to make successful and by making my team and my company more profit, so that can also give a boost to my career. So thank you so much for watching this video. So if you think that I'm the best person, I'm the best person for that job, so you can reach me out. I will happy to work with you. So thank you so much for watching this long video. I know the video is very long, but it has to be explained well. This is important to explain by expertise and experience in front of you, so you can make a good decision and right decision.